I have been accused of not reading the instructions. That may be true. I'm reading these. Here's instructions for the line feeding winding. It's a little confusing because it says one automatic line feed system, then it goes to command feed, and then it goes to manually feeding the line. And the way that it's numbered, it looks like you have to do step 1, 2, and 3, which I don't think is the case. I think you have the option of using the command feed, or you can manually wind your own spools. There's videos on the internet about that. People say they're saving money and things like that, but it clearly tells you to wind it like this, not like that. So if you're winding it like that, I'm assuming you're going to have some feeding problems. So it's a little unclear. Worx has a thing where if you buy one of these, that you can buy these spools for life for $10. So I did that because I only one spool came with it. I haven't even opened them yet. And I did some research on YouTube, and there's still a line on here, but it's like stuck or melted or fused together. It won't come off. So I could get in there with a pair of tweezers or needle nose pliers and dig it off, which is probably what I'm going to do. I didn't know if that was like part of the spool, but the spool is supposed to be just orange when it's empty. Let's open this new pack up, see what they look like. First, let me show you the instructions on the back of it. It just tells you that it goes in like this, but it doesn't tell you which is the top and the bottom of the spool. I found that out on a YouTube video, which I will try to link at the end of this one. If not, look in the text below. He did a really good job of showing how to put these in. Really, really good job. He did it faster than I'm going to be able to do. But usually Worx gives you really good information. On this, they just don't. So what came in here were 6 of these, which I wanted to have some more spools anyway. And so from the video that he says, this has to be on the part that you see. This goes into the bottom close to the weed eater, and then you feed it through there, and it has a command feed, and it automatically cuts what you're supposed to have on. So let's see if that's the case. This is the bottom of my weed eater. I did clean it up a little bit. We'll get a little bit closer. And we're supposed to be able to just undo this, keep a hold of it, and this side goes down so that it will fit into those little arrows in there. And this side is supposed to come through this little hole right here. Yeah, that's why I said don't let go of it. Yeah. Don't let go of it. It doesn't click or anything like that. And then this is supposed to go on. You've got 2 tabs on either side. And they're supposed to go on the 2 indented sides of this. They go over that. Oh, they go in. They have to click in. Let me show you that again. You have to squeeze them in and get them underneath that part. Then it's supposed to automatically feed it out here. Then it's supposed to automatically feed it out here and cut the line to the preferred length. I'm going to start it off a little bit longer just to make sure. See how it works.